Refreshing cold drink recipe. Ingredients: basil seeds, tukmaria or sabja, 1 tablespoon. Goond Katira, edible gum crystals, 4 to 6 pieces. Sugar, 1 tablespoon, optional, adjust to taste. Lime pieces, 2 to 3 small wedges. Rooh Afza, 1 tablespoon or more for extra flavor. Chilled water, as needed. Ice cubes, a handful. Milk for creamy version, as preferred. For the classic cold drink, water version, soak the basil seeds in water for about 15 to 20 minutes until they swell up. Soak the Goond Katira separately in water until it becomes jelly-like and soft. In a serving glass, add lime pieces and sugar, then gently crush them to release the juice. Pour in Rooh Afza. Add a spoonful of soaked basil seeds and Goond Katira. Followed by chilled water and ice cubes. Stir well and enjoy this instantly refreshing drink. For the milk version, in a glass, add soaked basil seeds, Goond Katira, and ice cubes. Pour in chilled milk and mix with Rooh Afza. Stir well and serve cold. For an extra tangy twist, squeeze a little fresh lime juice instead of just adding lime pieces. Use chilled soda water instead of plain water for a fizzy version. This easy homemade drink is perfect for hot summer days, Ramadan iftar, or anytime you crave something cool and refreshing.